ओके सो आज हम माई बेस्ट हॉलीडे के जो इंग्लिश आंसर्स हैं उनको स्टडी करेंगे। मैं कुछ मसरूफियत की वजह से कुछ दिन से नहीं बना सका वीडियोस, तो आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट। अगर किसी को मेरी वजह से हर्ज हुआ हो तो अभी दोबारा से स्टार्ट किया है। तो ये जो हमारा पर्सनल टॉपिक था ये उसका ये लास्ट है। इसके बाद मैं फर्दर वीडियोस बनाऊंगा जो कन्वर्सेशन फेज में जो 6 टॉपिक्स हैं उनके क्वेश्चंस, उनकी वीडियोस मैंने पहले बनाई हुई हैं और उसमें मैंने क्वेश्चन सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन किए हैं उर्दू में ही। लेकिन अब उसके बाद मैं उनकी भी जो इंग्लिश आंसर्स हैं उस पर वीडियोस बनाऊंगा। तो आज ये हमारा पर्सनल टॉपिक का ये लास्ट है, माई बेस्ट हॉलीडे। तो इसको देखेंगे अभी हम। ये जो सारे इसके कंपोनेंट्स हैं इनको हम स्टडी करेंगे, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि हम इसको स्कॉटलैंड का ही समझते हैं कि लेट्स से स्कॉटलैंड में हम गए। सो व्हाट वाज योर बेस्ट हॉलीडे? तो आप कह सकते हैं माय बेस्ट हॉलीडे वाज व्हेन वी वेंट टू स्कॉटलैंड। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि व्हाई डिड यू चूज स्कॉटलैंड? तो उसका आंसर होगा कि because Scotland is a beautiful place and we went in the summer holiday, so that was why we chose Scotland, because the weather in Scotland is good and children like to visit Scotland. How was the trip? So it was wonderful trip, and I have never been on such a beautiful trip before. How long was the drive? ये डिपेंड करता है जितना आप बताना चाहें। You can say that the drive was almost 14 hours long. Obviously we stopped at different places, but it was around 14 hours. How did you go? We went by cars. We drove to Scotland. Did you go on your own? इसका मतलब ये है कि क्या आप खुद ही गए, अकेले गए? No, actually we went with another family. So there were 2 cars, so that's how we went. When did you go? तो आप इसमें exact date बता सकते हैं कि we went in last summer holidays. जो भी date है कोई भी वो भी बता सकते हैं। Okay, next जो है वो week long stay. How long did you stay in Scotland? तो आप कहेंगे कि we stayed in Scotland for about a week. Why did you not stay longer? So okay, actually our booking was for a week, and the holiday, the children's school holiday were about to finish, so that's why. How was the weather during your stay? Oh, the weather was wonderful during this stay. It was mostly sunny. Once it rained, but mostly it was sunny. Where did you stay? I stayed in Edinburgh. ये भी आंसर हो सकता है। I stayed in Dornoch. I stayed in Aberdeen. जहाँ भी आप रहे हैं। Do you think that a week was enough time to enjoy, or you could have stayed longer? Yeah, week was not enough time, obviously, to visit Scotland. Obviously, you need more time. There are so many beautiful places, but I mean, it was fine. We can go again. What was the best thing about your stay? Or the best thing was that we went to different places, especially in the countryside, which was wonderful. ठीक है. Next is Caravan. Where did you stay? We stayed in a caravan. Or why did you choose to hire a caravan? Well, that was our first experience, and somebody told us that it's a beautiful, different experience, and also it is quite cheaper as compared to staying in a hotel. Was it your first time staying in a caravan? Yes, it was first time, yeah. How was the experience? Oh, it was wonderful experience. The best thing about the caravan is that you have your privacy. You have it's a kind of home, and you have kitchen, you have toilet separate. You can cook whatever you like. So it was brilliant. Did you cook your own food in the caravan? Yes, sometimes, not always. Sometimes we did cook, but yeah, we ordered from outside as well. which is better option, caravan or hotel? I think a caravan is a better option because you have freedom. You can do whatever you like. You can cook. You can come and go whenever you want to, and obviously it is a home-like feeling. How big was the caravan park? Caravan park was very big. It was, well, I think there were more than 300 caravans in that park. Next है places visited, यानी क्या क्या जगह आपने visit किए. Did you get a chance to visit a lot of places? Yes, we went to a lot of places. What places did you visit? इसमें आप कुछ list बता देंगे. For example, कहेंगे कि we visited Edinburgh, we visited Edinburgh Castle, then we went to the countryside, we went to Dornoch, we went to Inverness, we went to Highlands, mountains, Fort William, and many other places that I can't remember at the moment. Okay? What was the best experience? The best experience was Loch Ness, visiting Loch Ness. There was a big beautiful lake, and we did some boating as well, and children really enjoyed that. It is a very beautiful place, although we did not see Loch Ness. Have you been to Loch Ness? ये उनकी बहुत मशहूर लेक है जिसमें ये लोग कहते हैं कि मॉन्स्टर भी है. Have you been to Loch Ness? Yes, we have been to Loch Ness. Were most of the places free to visit, or did you have to buy tickets? Well, most of the places were free, but boating is obviously not free, so we had to pay for that. Did you drive to most places or use public transport? We drove to most places. Yeah. Next, outstanding natural beauty. अब ज़ाहिर है स्कॉटलैंड की बात होगी तो स्कॉटलैंड के हुस्न की बात भी होगी. What was your overall impression about Scottish visit? Well, I would say that I have never seen such a beautiful place ever in my life. So, great place to go. Which place do you think is the most beautiful that you visited? I think the most beautiful place was Fort William and Loch Ness. Was it really busy at different places that you visited? Yes, it was really busy, especially Loch Ness was very busy place, and then Fort William was okay because it's very far and it's mostly mountain, so yeah, it wasn't that busy. Would you like to visit those places again? Of course, I would love to go because that's so refreshing, so beautiful. Which other country or place would you think has outstanding natural beauty that you would like to visit in the future? I think that I would go to Switzerland and probably Sweden and some other countries which have outstanding beauty. So at the moment I think Switzerland. What is the best thing about visiting areas of outstanding natural beauty? The best thing about visiting areas of outstanding natural beauty is that it refreshes you. You are away from the city life, busy life. Even in some places in Scotland there was no mobile phone signal, so you are away from mobile phones. So that relaxes you, and obviously being close to nature is very good for your health as well. So I love to go to places like that. Okay, so ये कुछ questions थे जो कि मैंने आपको questions को भी read करके आंसर भी पढ़े और आपको बताया कि ये कैसे करना है. ठीक है, आपने देखा होगा बाज़ औक़ात इंसान कुछ कहना चाह रहा था, कुछ भी हो जाता है. दैट्स नेचुरल, यही चीज़ उनको चाहिए भी है. ठीक है, रटा लगाया हुआ हो तो फिर वो ठीक नहीं होता. जो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चंस बताए हैं इसमें, इनको आप बार बार सुने, इनको आप लिख सकते हैं तो लिखें और फिर कोशिश करें कि इनको प्रैक्टिस करें, और इसी तरह फिर ये आपका जो है ना वो यूज़ टू जब होगे तो फिर इजीली बोल सकेंगे. फिर भी कोई क्वेश्चन है तो ज़रूर पूछें. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. बाय.